Carefully lift and slide the chair off the dolly and into position. Raise the chair back from its shipping position and attach back link onto link pin. Using a 3/32-inch hex wrench, tighten set screw on back link so that the chair back is firmly retained. Install the headrest into the backrest. Remove the seat cushion from the seat rail by rotating the seat handle 90 degrees and lifting cushion away. Using the supplied hardware, attach the seat rail to the chair's upper structure using a 9/16 wrench or socket. Tighten seat rail securely, allowing it to pivot up and down freely with no side-to-side play on the rail guides. Make sure that chair base is on a level surface and that it does not rock due to high or low spots on the floor. If the floor is uneven, level using the supplied leveling pads. Reinstall seat cushion by engaging plastic hooks on rear rail brackets. Secure seat cushion by rotating seat handle back 90 degrees. Plug in chair and listen for an audible beep. Operate chair through all range of motions and functions to verify proper operation.